we kind of give you an outline of what we think should happen or hope happen on your part when a bus winds up like this, okay, on its side.
This training is important to simulate kind of a real-world experience that a driver may encounter on the 432 miles of roads that we travel here in Tippecanoe County. If in the event their bus was to turn over with or without students on board, this just gives them that real-world simulation of what it's like.
On the bulkhead in the frame of the window, and just go past the first roof hatch, and you can turn around and come back. Okay?
First and foremost, the biggest thing to take away from this is if a driver is in a situation where they have a bus rollover, is to stay calm, assess the situation, make sure that they're able to get the students out as quickly and safely as possible, and then for themselves to get out as quickly and safely as possible. So having an opportunity to have a bus turned over like this just gives them a little bit better understanding of what it was going to be like if they were to have a bus roll over like this.